Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you can start working with Mailchimp. First of all, guys, make sure to go ahead and go to Mailchimp.com or Mailchimp.com and click on sign up to create your own account. I'm going here with signing up, as you can see, and I'm going to request a demo from here. You can actually go with the free ones just by going right over here to the bottom and choosing the free one from here, as you can see. So it's all will work for you the same way. For our case, we would like the free one. We could go ahead and click on sign up right through here, and it will take us to this page where we can sign up. Here I'm going to use my email, for example. I'm going to use a password. So here, lollipop, and here a password. Um, so I don't want to receive, sign up, and once they check if your email has been used before or or not, they will take you to the next step directly. So let's wait until it opens. Here, just verify your email. They will send me an email in my Gmail. So let's click on open your Gmail. Here I'm gonna be opening this, and I will activate my account by clicking on activate account button on my inbox. Once this happens, I will be taken to this URL, which is basically set up for my account. So I'm going to fulfill these randomly here also, and I consent to receive automated. Let's click on next, and then there we go. Address line. Let's choose Madrid, something random, and there we go. And here for e-commerce, we can skip it. We can skip this as well. Skip this as well. And finally, they will create our URL for us, and the account should be good to go. Just like this. So here we are. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. As you can see, now we simply have to keep skipping a couple of things, and this is the dashboard. It's very simple and very easy. Click here to start your free trial, and once you have done that, the dashboard will take a few seconds and it will be created for you. So thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next video.